An example of why a software factory is important is there's a lot of software issues that exist out there. Some of them are very, very complex, and some of them are low-hanging fruits. So a good example of this was with Kessel Run, when Kessel Run first started. The Air Force used to be doing refueling, air refueling for their tankers, their planes, everything. Well, the process for managing the refueling was a manual, analog process. Oftentimes it was being done even on whiteboards or chalkboards. Right? So one of the first products that Kessel Run came out with was an application that could manage the air refueling process. And within 2 years, they had saved the Department of Defense billions of dollars in refueling costs because of the efficiencies that they created through this application, right? This is, I mean, that's just an easy example of how software can make our lives easier. Software factories are going to enable that because they can generate unique software specifically designed and organically designed for the Department of Defense instead of trying to shove things in.